Police use drones to stop illegal off-road riders. Welcome to the MOTORCYCLES.NEWS. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Police in the United Kingdom are now using drones to search rural areas for motorcyclists who are illegally riding off-road. The UK has about 3,140,000 acres of forest, nearly 70% of which is privately owned. Not every owner is comfortable with strangers riding their motorcycles or quad bikes on their property. But even in public forests, it's illegal to ride a motorcycle through the terrain. Police are now using drones to apprehend drivers in question. In Nottinghamshire, an illegal off-road ride even threatens confiscation of the motorcycle. Confiscated motorcycles then end up in the shredder and will thus be destroyed. In other countries, too, the police are now using drones in a wide variety of areas, in some cases also for normal traffic monitoring. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, I would be happy about a thumbs up. You can find more and constantly updated news on the homepage motorcycles.news/en, or in the free motorcycles.news app for Android and iOS.